You know what really drives donations for nonprofits? It's not just facts or stats, it's stories. Because facts make sense, but stories make people feel. And when people feel, they act. Think about it. A good story builds trust, shows impact, and makes your mission personal. That's what moves someone from curious to caring to actually giving. So, how do you tell that kind of story? Here's the simple formula. Start with your mission. Then introduce one character we can root for. Let them speak in their own voice if possible. Add one clear number that grounds the emotion, and always finish with a clear call to action. Now, where do you share it? Short videos work great on Reels and TikTok. Photo carousels shine on Instagram and Facebook. Go live when you've got urgent needs or milestone updates. And on Twitter or Threads, use short narrative posts to pull people in. But here's the key. Don't forget the donation step. Put your link right at the top. Set a real deadline so people know why it matters now. Show the results when gifts come in. And always say thank you. At the end of the day, it's simple. Stories move hearts. Clear asks move gifts. Share one true moment, add one number, and show people the next step. That's how you turn stories into support. Want help planning stories that raise real money? Book a free story sprint with MarketinGear. Link in the description.